Good morning, my dear students. Open your EVS book, page number 124. Students, do you know? Even the animals and birds have their own way of talking and communicating with each other. You can see here some different types of animals. So, different animals make different sounds. So, today let us learn the sounds of animals. This is tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Tiger roars. R-O-A-R-S, roars. Tiger roars. This is dog. D-O-G, dog. Dog barks. B-A-R-K-S, barks. Dog barks. This is pig. P-I-G, pig. Pig grunts. G-R-U-N-T-S, grunts. Pig grunts. This is horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Horse neighs. N-E-I-G-H-S, neighs. Horse neighs. This is bear. B-E-A-R, bear. Bear growls. G-R-O-W-L-S, growls. Bear growls. This is rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R, rooster. Rooster crows. C-R-O-W-S, crows. Rooster crows. This is snake. S-N-A-K-E, snake. Snake hisses. H-I-S-S-E-S, snake hisses. Cow. Cow moos. M-O-O-S, moos. Cow moos. This is goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Goat bleats. B-L-E-A-T-S, bleats. Goat bleats. This is duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Duck quacks. Q-U-A-C-K-S, duck quacks. This is monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Monkey chatters. C-H-A-T-T-E-R-S, chatters. Monkey chatters. This is elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Elephant trumpets. T-R-U-M-P-E-T-S, elephant trumpets. This is cat. C-A-T, cat. Cat mews. M-E-O-W-S, mews. Cat mews. This is sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. Sparrow chirps. C-H-I-R-P-S, chirps. Sparrow chirps. This is lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Lion roars. R-O-A-R-S. Roars. Lion roars. So my dear students, you will learn these names. Thank you students.